Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix ChatGPT errors. If you find this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, open your browser where your error is occurring. Now go over here on these three dots on top right corner, click on it, go over to settings, head to privacy and security. Now here, click on delete browsing data. Select and check all these boxes. And in time brace, select all time. Go to advanced. Here also select all time. Now just click on delete data. After that, go over to here on system. Click on open your computer proxy settings. Make sure your proxy settings is off. Now moving on to method number 2. If you have any ad blockers or VPNs, just disable the extension and try to access ChatGPT again. Now another method you can try is just try to access ChatGPT from another browser, or just open incognito mode and try to access it from here. Now moving on to the final method, go on the search bar and type command prompt. Click on run as administrator. Now here, type this command ipconfig space /flushdns. Press enter. Now write this command netsh space winsock space reset. Now press enter. Now type this command ipconfig space /release. Now press enter. Type this command ipconfig space /renew and enter this command. Now after that, your problem will be 100% solved. So that's it for the video. That's how you can fix ChatGPT errors. Thanks for watching.